Hey, just a quick tech tip, and for some of you it'll be a reminder because you already know about this, but for the TB50 and TB55 batteries, they have a built-in heater. And I put this one in the freezer for a few minutes just to simulate cold weather. This one's been in the case, so this one's already warm. But the way you activate the heater is by holding in the button for about 3 seconds, and you'll see the light go back and forth. Now this one's cold, and I'd expect to see 2 lights going back and forth. All right, so there's the difference. This one is heating up on the inside, running an internal heater. This one says it's ready to go. You're ready to be put in the aircraft. That's what those lights mean. All right, and then of course what you do, I'll kind of give a quick scenario. You go out and you get dispatched on a call. Your car heater, if these are sitting in your car and it's 35 degrees outside, they're not going to fly. They'll be cold by the time you get on scene, even with your heater on. So you'll need to start an internal heater. So what I'd expect is you go out there and you kick on the internal heater for your first set of batteries, and then the next sets, the follow-up sets, can heat up naturally from your car heater. But anyway, so you turn this internal heater on. Whenever it's ready, it'll go to single lights like that, and then all you do to put it in the aircraft is just press the button again and it'll go off. So anyway, this works for the TB55s and the TB50s, so M200, M210, and Inspire 2s. It's not the case for any other aircraft like your Inspire 1s or anything like that. So for those, you're just going to have to, I'd recommend bring those batteries inside at night or something like that, because you can run into a lot of issues running batteries that are cold and not ready. So anyway, hope this helps. Talk to you later. Bye.